Yung labas nun, yung sa may lupa. Yung minidaan.
Medyo na ano lang po.
tayo. Doon talaga dapat ang mga takbo.
Okay, so that's the second letter is H.
Okay.
Okay.
You're going?
Yeah, you're in there.
You're getting closer.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
okay,
I
go.
need H-I. So the second
H-I?
letter should be I.
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay.
Maybe she can figure
That's
out
pretty
now.
clever.
Or let's see. I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna bring a cigarette.
No!
Why are you gonna bring cigarettes
How are you
there?
gonna bring there's kids? There's kids around.
Yeah, you can't bring cigarettes.
I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna bring a diaper.
Oh,
Yeah, yes.
what you need.
Yours is I after the C.
Where did you put the eye?
In the middle.
Oh,
I know,
that's
after
your
the
problem.
second letter.
That's your problem. You
No.
moved it somewhere else. Yeah.
It should be somewhere else.
I said too much. I'm not saying too much.
That's too much in.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Where did I put the I?
Figure out it's your
I know.
Wait.
We keep telling
But
her that.
wait. Give me a sec. I'm thinking.
Ayaw makinig na.
Chandelier.
She went back to chandelier.
Oh,
That's the one she can bring.
So cigarette, and then what's yours?
Diaper.
cigarette was no go.
Yeah, no.
It didn't work.
Oh,
Can't bring it.
Go.
There's a lot of kids there. Why are you gonna
I'm
bring
going to the beach. I'm gonna bring a
Come on.
head pillow.
Yes.
Yes, the eye was perfect.
So there's a D.
Okay, listen. I'm going to the beach.
Listen to
Listen carefully. I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna bring. Can I bring 2 head pillows?
Yes.
Not just 1, but 2. See? 2 head pillows is allowed.
Yeah.
Anna, and then you, what do you need? Oh, you just have to wait.
Ken, what is intonation?
You know the accent,
Pronunciation.
try. The master. Let's
She's
the
got-
master. Let's you be the master.
I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna bring Jasmine.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm coming.
I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna bring Daddy.
No.
You say how you say daddy? You hear how you say it? Daddy?
It's too high.
It's too high. Bring it down a little bit. If you're at fall, you're gone. If you get to fall, you're gone. It's too high.
And don't bring me. I can go there.
He's already there. If you don't have fall.
Doesn't matter what you bring. Oh, your turn. Go.
Your turn.
I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna bring
What else?
What matters? Okay.
an N. Yes, you're coming.
what?
An N.
An N? A letter N?
See?
Oh, this one. Letter N.
Boss,
I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna bring Y.
No.
boss,
After
see, I'll try to help you.
Okay.
Because you really want to come to the beach,
Yes.
right?
Yeah,
So let's
yeah.
see if we can bring her to the beach. Like, I'm going to the beach. I'm going to bring you.
Yeah!
Can I bring her?
No.
Oh, I tried.
No.
I tried to bring her. Why did you guys? I can't.
You guys are so bitter.
I tried. I tried to get you. They said no.
You can't come.
I can't. She
I'm
can't
going
come.
to the. Okay, I'll just
You
bring.
have to go by yourself.
Now neither of you
Oh.
can come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm
I
gonna
wanna
go
back.
to the beach. I'm gonna bring my face.
No. Can't bring your face,
Can't
Tita.
bring her. Just your face?
Yeah.
That's
No.
Just your face. Like face off.
No.
Ikaw, Tita. Tita, your turn.
I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna bring a water bottle.
Yes, you're coming.
Okay, you do it. Just the 4 of you, so that I can.
Okay, let's start with Barry.
Got it.
Number is this?
5.
2,
5.
So you always start with 5.
Number is this? I don't know.
5.
2,
4. 2. What number is this?
5.
4. 3.
1.
4.
4.
Okay.
4.
4.
What number is this?
4.
5.
3.
4.
3.
What was the last one? Last one was 4?
Yes.
This is twice. This is 3 now.
Yeah.
This is 3. What number is this?
5.
That's okay. Your finger holding it are 3. 4.
Ah, I don't know.
Fingers. That's a 2.
I don't know.
Or 3.
4.
My answer is 3 or 2.
No, it's
1.
I think I figure out. Okay, go.
Okay.
from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number is this?
Wait, you're holding it
5.
how many fingers? 3, and then you minus
Of what? What please? Okay.
1 finger minus
That's 2. That's 2.
2.
5.
Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number is this?
3, 4.
2.
It's 5, bot? Tita, 5 eh. Kanina kita ko 5.
Oh, it's 2 now. It's
5.
5! Tita, kita ko kanina nakaganon siya eh. Nakaganon. Tapos inaalis niya, di ba?
Oh, naalis na. Tapos gumagana.
I don't like when she does it. You go again.
Ay, ikaw muna.
Yan muna. Ano pa? Nakakuha na ba siya?
Oh, ako na.
Ano? Wow!
Tumataas. Yan na tayo lumapit.
Ate Marian! Next! Di siya masaya. Di na kailangan. Oh, di na kailangan. Ate Marian! Yay!
Ayun, sige, sige. I want you, man.
Pwede yung ulit! Pwede yung ulit! Lola, ulit! Ako!
Eh, paborito manok ka! Mali yung pasok ko. Mali yung dapat.
Yeah.
No, on the other side.
Ako sa labas. Nagpipintura nga ako sa labas ng building.
Uy, nakasabit sa labas.
Tapos na.
Mas mabigat yung sa ito magalang.
Ano? Akin na anak. Ano po? Kaya sa'yo yala. Bigyan mo rin sila.
Ko na lang po kayo ng titigman niyo po. Tig-isa lang po kayo.
Ay, nakatingin siya. Sorry. Kaling dito. Happy birthday.
Ganda.
Hindi na, di ba naman?